Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Hyun-sun from Hyundai Genin Global Production Guide. Last time we introduced a small-sized diesel forklift and today we'll introduce a medium-sized diesel forklift D9S series. These models use the same diesel engine but the size of the equipment is different, so there seems to be other features. Sue will once again help explain the D9S series in our first section.
Hello, MC Sian Kim here. The D9S series is bigger than the F7 series we saw last time. Let's take a look at the engine first. This engine satisfies EPA Tier 3 and EU Stage 3A exhaust emission regulation. Also, its strong power and torque enables it to perform fast driving speed and gradability when driving on roads with high resistance or slope. Next is transmission. Forward and backward two-stage power shift transmission with automatic transmission produces excellent driving performance and high efficiency under both heavy-duty work with one stage and high-speed, long-range driving with two stage. Furthermore, it can set the timing of changing speed properly under working conditions with MCU, and a clutch protection function is applied in order to prevent durability decline. Final reduction structure drive axle of 4-pinion differential gear and planetary gear remain long durability under high driving torque working conditions. And D9S series use a wet disc type brake as service brake. There is no power change due to the heat created by the brake, and the maintenance cost is very low. So, it seems that this medium model uses more powerful and stronger components than the smaller model. Okay, let's take a look at the driver's seat next. D9S has a 5.6-inch widescreen LCD color monitor to check the status of the equipment in real time. Driver can check basic information like driving speed, driving time, direction, and etc. And there are some additional functions like setting password, setting maximum driving speed, and controlling shift time to have safe and effective driving experience. And the driver can check the weight of cargo in real time through converting the pressure change MCU, a pressure sensor installed in lift line. When the cargo weight exceeds capacity, the sensor gives the driver a warning to prevent an accident. Surely it is a necessary function for safe working environment because exceeding loading capacity or asymmetric load can increase the chance of accident. And through the all directions tilt sensor installed in MCU, the driver can check the tilt of the equipment in comparison to the condition of the road in real time. If the tilt exceeds regulated standard, the vehicle gives a warning for safety. Last, let's look at the pedal and the steering wheel. 9SA series has a pedal on dashboard, which reduces the driver's tiredness during operation and reduces noise and incoming dust from engine room. Furthermore, the position of the steering wheel can be adjusted based on driver's body with the lever on the right side of the wheel.
Wow, it's amazing that forklift has a lot of smart functions. So Sue, where is the 9SA series mainly used?
The medium-sized forklift is mainly used in petrochemistry industry, paper manufacturing industry, beverage manufacturers, and etc. to move heavy and mass loads. Besides, it is used for many construction sites, so we can see the equipment in everyday life.
Right, so that now that you mentioned it, the forklifts I saw on the road have a lot of similar sizes. Let's further look at a safety function. A mast, which is a working device for lifting and lowering objects, is a structure that greatly affects safety. The gravity-driven mast can maintain a descent rate safely set by the down control valve. In addition, the down safety valve prevents the mast from dropping sharply if the hydraulic line breaks during operation. Next is outstanding visibility. By optimizing the lift cylinder arrangement inside the mast, the 9SA series provides the driver with a wider front view, while the panoramic mirror and two large side mirrors eliminate blind spots in the rear to ensure a wider rear view. Now, let's take a look at the rear of the car. Attached here is a high candela halogen type rear work light and an LED combination light. These lights create a bright working view and a safe working environment when working at night. And this reflector attached to the counterweight provides its position to the vehicles following it. Finally, this is the optional rear camera. Safety is guaranteed as the rear working environment can be checked in real time through the LCD monitor of the cluster, which is activated when the reverse gear is selected. The driver can easily focus on the work without anxiety due to the safety first designed inside space and various safety parts. Then let us find out its maintenance function. Here, what is blocking the inner frame of the steering tire is the rear cover. It blocks the inflow of foreign substances from the rotating tire into the engine room while driving. In addition, the invisible undercover added under the body also blocks the ingress of dust and foreign substances, preventing excessive contamination. And by installing a fuse box and relay box with an IP64 rated waterproof and dustproof cover structure in the engine room, the reliability of the system is increased and inspection and maintenance time is reduced. This time, let me show you other functions inside the driver's seat. A password can be set by the monitor Sue previously informed. This prevents breakdowns caused by unauthorized use of the equipment by an unauthorized person and protects the equipment from stealing when parking outdoors. The password can be set by 4 digits with a maximum of 10 passwords. Also, a driver can check and set the replacement time, which should be periodically replaced from the monitor. This will prevent performance degradation of major parts caused by passing the replacement time.
Yes, Hyun-san. Thank you for your explanation. What an equipment that takes into account both daily check and maintenance. The driver will love the work in every working environment. I'm fascinated by Hyundai Genie's various forklifts once again. Thank you for watching us, and we will come back with more wonderful and useful information next time. Thank you.